Holly from the Proper Pineapple, and I have Starlet with me. The first part of this video, I'm hopping on here just to let you know that the first part of this was actually filmed quite a few months ago. So, you're gonna watch that now, and then we will come back and finish the review after that. Hey, it's Holly and Starlet, my little princess. Look at her. She's not so little anymore, guys. You remember that first video with the hat? She was like this big. Anyways, okay, so I am here to do an unboxing / a review, which we'll talk about the review in a minute. You guys know we love painting our nails, right? I love getting acrylics done, but sometimes it's just expensive. In the end, I have a lot of friends that do color street nails, but sometimes those are expensive too. So I was actually online and I found this Facebook page and I was like, okay, I'll give it a shot. It is a lady called StickyFix Nails, and I will put her link down below in the description box. And she has the same idea as a color street, but they were only $3 a set. I'm on my back porch, so if there's like car noise and stuff like that and reflections in my glasses, sorry guys, this is what it's like. So I ordered a crap ton of nails from her to give them a shot. So we're gonna do an unboxing, and then you'll see this video will progress because just to set time, guys, I've still got my peanut butter jelly nails on. Star's got little bees, so she did yellow and black. But we're going to then put some of these on and wear them for about a week. And so the last half of this video will be a week from when I filmed it. But it came in a little package today. So cute. So again, StickyFix Nails. Super excited about it. Like I said, I ordered a bunch of them. So, okay, they're all $3. But then she had some on clearance for $1.50. And then she had mystery. You could order up to 3 mysteries for 99 cents. And those are just random ones she sends. So, I'm ripping it open right now because you're on camera. Normally I cut these and have it like prepped ahead of time, so I'm like all professional, but she smells like bubble gum, like fruity bubble gum. Okay. Oh my gosh, this packaging, you guys. Look at this.
Can I have the box?
Isn't this the cutest? Oh my gosh, her box alone I would order from. You've got great taste, it says on the sticker. I'm sorry, I hope I can
Want me to try?
peel it. I didn't bring a knife or nothing out here, you guys.
You got nails.
I got fingernails, I'm getting it. I think I got it off enough. Okay, so we're gonna open the box. Ta-da! And it has a big thank you sticker on it. And has a summary. Let's see, there's something else in here. I can feel it. Oh, she gave me some alcohol prep pad, a little file, and a little cuticle thingy. I'll set that to the side. This is just my receipt of all the things I ordered.
Man, that's a lot, Mom.
Okay, yep. I ordered a lot, you guys. I'm sorry. But if you opened it up, this is what it looks like in there. Cute little picture. I'm going to take that out to show you guys.
I can hold it up.
So, StickyFix Nails. Then on the back, it's got how to apply the nails, your prep, all of that. You know, just helpful information on there. She does have an Instagram, so I will hold this up right there. It's her Instagram. I don't know if that's going to focus because our faces are in it. Let's see. Let me see if I can get it to focus, guys. I'm sorry. I'm trying. It's not going to do it. I'll just put all the links down below. Don't worry, okay? All right, and then they all came wrapped up like this. Look, I ordered that many, you guys. It's ridiculous. Okay, so this first one I ordered was called the Perfect Sweater. It was like a ugly Christmas sweaters, right? Oh, the lighting is getting horrible. Oh, I'm so sorry, guys. But okay, the Perfect Sweater. Love that one. This one's called Bokeh. It's like these beautiful like lights with the black. I love it so much.
They're like little glow bugs.
Okay. This one I know I ordered is called Fiona. You guys know me and my pink and leopard. So pretty. This one is called Sweet Marble. I believe I got this one for $1.50. I loved it. I know I got this next one for $1.50. This one's called Bold Cheetah. This one's me all day, isn't it, guys? A little neon pink with cheetah. What do you think, Star?
like
This
that
one I love. Star actually liked this one. It's called Night Glow Garden. Do you remember liking this one, Star? So pretty.
And then liking the
Yeah. Okay, then we go. Oh, those are my surprise ones. I see them. Okay, this one's called Cozy.
Oh, those are so
It has
cool.
like a little flannel. And then is there 3 left? No, okay, so these ones are definitely my surprises.
You got that one?
So hold on.
I want that one.
This one's called NYC. It's hard to see with the reflection, but it's like just a little, it's sparkly and I don't want to open it. It's
Here.
sparkly and it's got a little bit, no, that's not helping. It's just really pretty, you guys. A little bit of neon-y kind of prettiness to it.
This one's come home with me.
Hey, I think I am missing one. I forgot one on the bottom down there. This one's called Brooklyn. That was totally me, right? Are you gonna hold it? Are you blowing bubbles? Pay attention. This one I love. It's called Prickly. It's cactuses. Why are you laughing?
No, it's how I was so prickly.
Just laughing at me. All right. And then these are my 3 mysteries. So I'm super excited about these.
I want the gold.
So this one is called Solar Flare. It's a transparent. So this one goes over top of one and just gives beautiful golden glitter. So pretty. So I paid 99 cents for that one. This one is also a transparent. It's called Halo Mermaid, and I'm super excited about this one. Look at that. It's like a halo or hollow, whatever you want to say, hollow mermaid. So pretty. I'm going to get one of their solids to put that on. And then this one, I couldn't be happier about. It's called KnitCrate. Look at these ridiculous Christmas nails. This is a tree of mustaches, guys. A mustache tree. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. Love this one. This one was worth, I would have paid more for that one. So this is all my nails. And me and Star are going to put some of these on. And then we are going to wear them for a week or so. And the rest of this video will start with the review of, let me get the big box back up. StickyFix Nails. Okay, guys? So, now it's time for the review part, right, Star? Okay, Star. So how did you like StickyFix Nails?
I like them. They're really pretty and stuff. And they make your nails look real cute.
They did. They were really cute. And okay, so how long did you wear yours?
2 weeks.
2 weeks. And did they chip off?
No.
No, they did not. What'd you do?
I pulled them off.
She peeled them off. I did the same thing, but I let mine ride until like they started to chip. I'm getting messages. Sorry, guys. I forgot to turn my phone off. I left mine on until they started to chip, which was about 4 weeks. So I had them on for like 4 weeks, and then they just started to chip around the edges and stuff. So it was really good quality, right?
Mm-hmm.
And they have a ton of designs, right? We go through their website and just put them in our cart all day long. And at only $3 a piece. Now, they're $3 a piece at the time of filming this video. That might change, I don't know. But so do you recommend them?
Yes, I definitely.
Definitely. Our nails are bare right now. We need to need to turn my phone off. We need to get some more up there. But I totally recommend it. If you guys are looking for some nail polish stickers that are a little cheaper than Color Street, but still good quality, I cannot recommend this company enough. I absolutely love them. Their link is down below in the description box. Right?
Yeah.
Which one do you want to do next?
Out of their website, or we have
Anyone you want out of the web.
math one.
They have this math one she really loves. It's like green and like math problems on it. She so wants it. So that might go on her birthday list. But okay, we're going to get out of here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and hope it was helpful, right?
Yep.
All right, ready? Bye.